Hey, Scott Leonard, Gomyoji Drones. Just got in the DJI RC Pro 2 from China, and we're going to go ahead and get into it and see if we got what we ordered. All right, as promised, we are here today with the package from China for the DJI RC Pro 2. So let's get into this and see if in fact that's what they sent us. This was purchased September 23rd via eBay. There were everything was included, the price. There was no tariff surcharges or anything. Shipping was included, and so there were no jack-in-the-box surprises. And here we are. DJI RC Pro 2. And it is sealed in the typical DJI fashion. So let's get into this here. All right, everything looks to be brand new. Again, this is the first time I'm seeing this in the wild, so bear with me. So we have a information card about a DJI forum. We have product information, tutorial. Okay, look at that later. And the actual RC Pro 2. Again, I was worried about getting used or damaged product. It appears as though this is all freshly packaged and new from the manufacturer. It's just like I've seen on other tutorials or unboxing. The antennas fold down. The screen folds up and out, and as you saw right there, as soon as I did that, it turned on, and the sticks pulled up, and here we go. We're into the system as far as startup. So again, it appears as though it is the first time starting up for this this item. So far, so good. A couple of questions I have are, am I going to get a tariff bill in the mail anytime soon? And secondly, what type of warranty do I get through DJI for this? That'll be curious as I go through to see if it even gives me the option, like other DJI products do, to get their extra care or their warranty, what do they call it? The extra care? I don't know. But anyway, the DJI warranty. We'll see if they even offer that anymore, as well as are they going to honor it for any of the other drones that I have purchased that for. So anyway, there we go. The second thing I'm going to do, part 2 of this, is going to be to actually run through setup and binding this to my Air 3S and run it through its paces. Well, hope to see you then. Keep flying.